Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. We've got this incredible Bentley that has just arrived. It's one of my favorite cars. It's a Bentley Convertible, super smooth, super sexy. This is the update. This is the facelift 2013 V8 Continental GTC. Look at that magnificence. Very highly spec'd. In Beluga black, incredible 21-inch wheels, amazing interior with the quilted seats, aluminium dash, complete authorised service history. This car's going to be under $140,000, only at the home of beautiful cars. Incredible car to look at, magnificent to drive. These would have been over $500,000 new. Sensational, under $140,000, only at the home of beautiful cars, finance arranged Australia by transport. Beautiful.